Everyone, Mark with RamRebelMods.com. Happy New Year. Today we're coming at you. We're going to be talking about the OPT7 Redline Triple LED Tailgate Light Bar with the amber sequential lights. You can also get it in red, so the flashers will, like the turn signals will flash in red. This one flashes in amber. We're going to talk about the installation real quick. Got this for Christmas, had it installed about a week. We're going to talk about the installation, and then I'll show it to you live so you can see what it does. This is attached to the back tailgate with double stick tape, and there's some type of stuff you put on it to make it stick better. This is stuck on here. It's not coming off. It's stuck. So when you want to get it off, you're going to have to, I don't know what you're going to have to do to get it off. It's going to be bad. Anyway, first off, right here is where you would jack the spare tire down. There's a plastic piece right there. I took it off because I wanted this to sit flat right here. So first thing I did was take that off so I could mount this over here. I think you can still insert the tool to lower the spare if you need to right here. But to get it to lay flat, I took it off. Now, it comes with a cord or a cable or a wire, I should say, to go to the backup lights, and also comes with a 4-pin connector that connects to your trail or your tail. Can't talk. Sorry, your trailer hookups. Now it's a 4-pin connection. You can plug it in here, but I thought that would look like crap, so I purchased an adapter, and I will show you the packing on that here in just a minute. Right now I'm going to crawl underneath the truck and show you what kind of adapter it is and what I did. So bear with me while I climb under here. So the adapter comes with this connection right here. So what you do is there's a pin here, and you disconnect the one that comes with the truck, and you plug this one in. And so this is the adapter itself. This is the original right here, and so you plug it in. And then it also comes with a 4-pin connector that comes from the light bar. So I plugged that in here, and I tie wrapped it up right here. There's plenty of places to tie wrap it up under here. So if you come back over here, it's not very easy to see, but that white wire right there is what goes to your backup lights. So there's a hole right there, and so if you just feed the white wire up through here, through this hole right here, it goes up into the housing for the rear light here on the driver's side. So if you just feed that up there, and I'm going to pop back up and put down the tailgate, and I'll show you how to get the tail light off. Hold on a second. So the tail light, easy to come off. Unhook this. If you have the tailgate assist like I do, I just back this out right here and let the tailgate assist fall down. There's 2 screws holding the tail light in, one here and one here. Just take those out, and this light will slide right out. It's not really pinned in here very good at all. There's just 2 pins right here, and if you pull it straight back, it'll slide right out, no problem at all. Now, once you pull this light out, unhook it, and then the wires are wrapped up in here. If you cut through the wrap to where all the wires are, what I did was it's the white and brown or copper wire is your backup light. So what I did was just shaved off some of the insulation off that wire, and then took that white wire and wrapped it around there, and then retaped everything really good with electrical tape. So it worked really well, worked fine. Just put it all back together and stick the light on, and you're good to go. So I told you I bought an adapter. This is what it looks like, if it would focus. Anyway, here is crap. This thing won't focus with crap. There. There's your part number. It's a Kurt. I bought it on Amazon. So you just hook that up like I showed you. it's cheap, no big deal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down, and I'm going to set the camera down, get in the truck, start it up, and I'll run it through the sequences as far as I'll show you the turn signals, the hazard, the brake, and the backup light on here. So bear with me just a second. I'm going to set this camera down, jump in the truck, start it up, and show you what's up. Okay, as you saw, that was the backup light's pretty bright. It throws a lot of light at nighttime. Easy product to install. Highly recommend it. Especially if you're not going to do like some aftermarket backup lights or something like that. You know, LED lights to put on your bumper. This throws off pretty good amount of light. Appreciate you watching the video. Over 100 subscribers now. I appreciate that, all your support. I will put, like I always do, down in the comment section, I'll put the links to the accessories that we talked about today, the light bar and the adapter. I'll put those down in the comments. Just subscribe to my videos. I got more coming out all the time. Appreciate you watching. Everybody have a great New Year.